How are you, friends? How are you doing? Welcome to everyone. Video daw pa sa everyone because you clicked at the right time and at the most precise moment to enjoy this new video. Thank you for being here. Well, guys, today we are going to unlock this device, this iPhone I have here. This, as you can see, is an iPhone XR. So the range of iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR only reached iOS 18.7. That is the last software update for these devices, meaning that beyond iOS 18.7 they will not go further. That's where it will stay. And I'm going to show you here before doing the unlocking process, because I'm going to do it with the unlocking cards such as the RSIM Club, the MKSD Ultra, and the Heicard, right? Let's do that method. Here it is. As you can see, here is a Heicard. Here I have an MKSD Ultra, and I also have, well, an RSIM Club. Here are all the cards, right? And we are going to show you that indeed this device is already updated to iOS 18.7. And I will show you that the device is locked there. As you can see, here is the lock message. Let's do it again. Let's show it to you. There it is. It's locked, right? There's no trick, no scheme, nothing is fake. Everything here is real. And it is locked. So let's proceed to unlock it, right? So let's do it first with the MKSD Ultra. MKSD Ultra. With this, we are going to unlock it first. I am already placing the device in its tray. Now we are going to place it in its device. We will wait for it to read the card. Yes, we have to wait for the settings menu to appear. Let's wait. Okay, ready. Here I'm going to choose the third option, 5G Auto Mode, the original carrier of the device, which in this case is T-Mobile, and accept. Ready? Now we have to wait for the device to load the signal. There it is. It already has the signal. We need to test if it can browse the internet. Let's do it right. Correct. There it is. Let's try again. Yes, indeed. Let's try to access the Apple page. Yes, here it is. And here is the Apple page. Now we need to test if the calls work.
Welcome to the EME call center. It is our pleasure to assist you.
Ready? It worked. Correct with the MKSD. Let's continue with another unlock card. Yes, let's try it with the RSIM Club. Let's use the RSIM Club. Ready. Let's insert the SIM card. There it is. ready, we place it in the device tray. We have to wait for the menu to appear. Since this device did not upgrade to iOS 26, it stayed on iOS 18.7, so we have to use option number 1, the original carrier of the device, which is T-Mobile, and accept. Yes, it's a shame that these devices are stuck on that iOS. Remember that this device is iPhone XR, XS, and XS Max. They only arrived on iOS in the year 2018. The signal has already loaded here. Let's test again to see if the signal works. Correct. The internet is working without problems. Let's go to the Apple page again. Let's go again to the Apple page, and here it is, working without any problem. We need to make a call.
Welcome to the NE Telephone Service Center. It is our pleasure to assist you.
Ready? There the device is working. As you can see, well, there are no tricks, no gimmicks, no Wi-Fi connected, right? And everything is working correctly, right? Ready. It is already worked with the SIM card. And now we need to test the method again with the Heicard. Let's try it now with a Heicard. I'm just going to save the eSIM clock, and we're going to use the Heicard. Yes, let's use the Heicard. Here it is. We place it in its tray, right? And here we place the SIM card. Perfect. Ready, here it is. Let's place it in the device. Perfect. We have to wait for the menu to appear to configure it correctly. I use option number 1, and I choose here with Heicard Metro PCS, because with Metro PCS it works much better for me. Ready? I already selected the Metro PCS carrier. Just you have to wait for the card to work its magic. We have to wait for it to do its respective unlocking job. Yes. Remember guys that tricks, recommendations, tips are in the description of this video, so you can learn to do many more things to unlock your device, right? So what does configuration bring? Cell network, as you can see here, I don't have data, right? So let's go to SIM applications and select the last option of the Heicard, which is reload TMSI. Let's select it to see if it can fully get the signal with data and everything. Nothing's happening yet. Well, go back into setting, cellular network, roaming, and let's go into voice options. Here, everything is normal. Let's go into network selection. We are going to turn off automatic. You need to select here in network selection the carrier of the SIM card that you want to use on your device. Correct, as we already did this. So now let's go to SIM applications, and in the Heicard menu again select reload TMSI.
Reload TMSI.
Let's do it again. We'll wait to see if it works this time. There's nothing yet. Okay, so we activate airplane mode for a moment, and now we're going to deactivate airplane mode to see if this time the signal finally works on this device. Yes. We are waiting again for the Heicard to do its unlocking job. Now we already have the full signal with the data. Let's verify that it works. I am going to enter the page apple.com. We enter the apple.com page, and here it is, it's working. If we enter the page again of Google working again, we go to apple.com to show you that the method indeed works. There it is. It is not connected to a Wi-Fi network. It is using the data from the device. We make a call.
Welcome to the ENA Telephone Service Center. It is our pleasure to assist you.
Ready, all this worked with the Heicard. Did you see? This requires a bit of more strategy, of tactics, right?
To know how to configure the devices with these cards, right? I did it this time with an iCloud, an MKSD Ultra, and a Heicard, right? As you saw, we did it, right? If you have questions, inquiries, and comments, leave them below in the part of this video. And we are on WhatsApp, on Telegram, so you can be part of this nice community, right? So give a thumbs up, subscribe, and activate the bell, okay? To reach more people in this community. So see you guys. Take care until next time. Bye.